Welcome to our video on how to create a successful e-commerce business. In this video, we will be sharing with you the key steps you need to take to build a thriving online store that generates consistent revenue. With the rise of e-commerce, more and more people are turning to online shopping. This presents a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs who want to start their own e-commerce business. But with so many e-commerce businesses out there, how do you stand out from the crowd and create a successful online store? In this video, we will be answering that question and providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to create a successful e-commerce business. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your existing e-commerce business to the next level, this video is for you. Let's get started. The first step to creating a successful e-commerce business is to define your niche. This means identifying a specific product or service that you want to sell and focusing on that niche. To define your niche, start by brainstorming ideas and researching different markets. Look for gaps in the market or areas where you can provide a unique value proposition. Once you have identified your niche, conduct thorough research to understand your target audience, their needs, and their buying habits. You can use surveys, focus groups, and other market research tools to gather insights and feedback from your target audience. Use this information to create a buyer persona, which is a detailed profile of your ideal customer. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts and product offerings to meet their specific needs. By defining your niche and understanding your target audience, you can create a focused and effective e-commerce business that stands out from the competition. Once you have defined your niche and identified your target audience, it's time to build your online store. There are many e-commerce platforms available, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, that can help you build your online store quickly and easily. When building your online store, make sure to choose a design that is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Your website should also be mobile-friendly, as more and more people are shopping on their smartphones. Next, add your products to your website and make sure to include high-quality images and detailed descriptions. This will help your customers make informed purchasing decisions. Set up payment and shipping options that are convenient for your customers. Offer multiple payment methods and shipping options to accommodate different preferences. Finally, test your website thoroughly to ensure that it is functioning properly and that there are no technical issues that could deter customers from making a purchase. By building a user-friendly and reliable online store, you can create a positive shopping experience for your customers and build a loyal customer base. Now that you have built your online store, it's time to start marketing it to your target audience. Social media is a powerful tool for e-commerce businesses. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your products and engage with your customers. Email marketing is another effective way to reach your target audience. Use email campaigns to promote your products, offer discounts, and keep your customers informed about new products and promotions. Blogging is a great way to establish yourself as an expert in your niche and drive traffic to your website. Create high-quality blog posts that provide value to your target audience and share them on social media and other channels. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads, can also be effective for e-commerce businesses. Use targeted ads to reach your ideal customer and drive traffic to your website. Finally, use analytics tools to track your website traffic and monitor your marketing efforts. This will help you identify what is working and what needs improvement. By effectively marketing your online store, you can attract new customers, build brand awareness, and increase sales. The final step to creating a successful e-commerce business is to provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and provide helpful and friendly support. This will help build trust and loyalty with your customers. Make sure to package and ship your products quickly and efficiently. Provide tracking information and communicate any delays or issues with your customers. Encourage your customers to leave reviews and feedback about their experience with your online store. This will help build social proof and attract new customers. Make the returns process easy and hassle-free for your customers. This will help build trust and loyalty and encourage repeat business. By providing excellent customer service, you can create a positive shopping experience for your customers and build a strong reputation for your e-commerce business. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools you need to create a successful e-commerce business. Remember to define your niche, build a user-friendly online store, market effectively, and provide excellent customer service. Good luck on your e-commerce journey.